So hello and good afternoon everyone. My name is Rajesh and today I am going to share a lot of very good information which is very beneficial for the healthcare professions. So today the topic is for CEP. You know that what are the CEP? CEP is the Certificate of European Pharmacopoeia. It means that if your product or drug substance or API which would be the part of European Pharmacopoeia, for that you have to apply the CEP. Okay, so generally CEP is Certificate of Suitability to the monograph of European Pharmacopoeia. So my friend, here you can just note what could be the CEP application process. It's quite important. You know that the first Certificate of European Pharmacopoeia, it means that if the manufacturers who just want to manufacture a drug substance, so that particular drug substance would be belongs to European Pharmacopoeia. For that you have to approach for the CEP. Otherwise you are not supposed to have the CEP. So first criteria that your drug substance will be the part of European Pharmacopoeia. Now let's not just understand what kind of CEP application process. I mean to say, if you want to have your DMF, so how you approach to the EDQM authority to issue the CEP, okay, Certificate of European Pharmacopoeia. So there is some CEP application in a very simple form. Here you can see. So there is 5 module M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. So these are the module which would be the part of the DMF which would apply to the EDQM, European Directorate of Quality and Medicine. So this 5 part or 5 module would be the part of DMF, and this is overall drug master file. So your drug master file would be contain the M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. So basically here I would just focus about that what would be the minimum content of the every modules. Okay, so there is in M1 you have to approach for the administrative and product information. So first I would like to start with this M1. This is the module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 and module 5. Basically here module 1 is for the administrative and product information, which include your forwarding or cover letter, where that one kind of simple application, and there's a comprehensive table of contents, and the third is the application for EAF, electronic application form, which is available in the EDQM database. So that form is to be downloaded, fill in the form and has to be submitted at the part of the application. List of approved manufacturer, your contract lab which is involved for the testing of your release drug substance, THC based certificates, and information on the CEP revision or renewal. So this kind of minimal information which include and cover them into the administrative and product information. Now the second part is for the module 2. Actually this is the quality overall survey provided in M3. जो module M3 में जो quality module होता है, that has to be support through M2. But this is not required usually by EDQM, and even though that is not reviewed by the EDQM technically, but sometimes submitted as a part of completeness of your DMF, but generally this is not required. Okay, now that's very core part of the DMF is M3. This contains the quality modules and it involves the chapters of from S1 to S7. You know that this is the core part of the DMF. So every chapters have the different kind of information like S1 to S5, which include that CMC part like manufacturing, control and your testing. This all kind of information which include into the quality module. Now the fourth, module 4 and 4 is the non-clinical study report. Usually that is also not required in CEP, and generally not required. It may require in rare case, example novel impurity with the genotoxic potential. So basically here I would like to just tell this is a non-clinical study report. Generally this is not required when you are going to approach your EDQM to have the standard CEP. So this generally somehow required when your impurity is in house, or you are claiming as a genotoxic impurity, that information has to be provided into the M4. And in M5, this is the clinical study reports, with no clinical study are required for the as a part of this CEP application. So here I would like to conclude here. Here you can see what are the conclusion about that all the things. So conclusion for the submission of M1 to M5. Here you can see that when submitting a CEP to EDQM, you only need to prepare module 1 and module 3. This is the core part of the your application of the standard CEP, and module 2, 4, 5 are not applicable for standard CEP submission. So this is the conclusion part. Now here I am going to tell you about that what countries are recognizing the CEP. If you, for example, if you are having the CEP, standard CEP for your drug substance, to what country you can approach this. So this is acceptable by regulated and non-regulated markets, so which include this country like European Union, which having the 30 countries, UK, Australia, Canada, Singapore, South Africa, and MENA region. So what is the MENA region? This is the MENA region. MENA refers to the Middle East and North Africa. Okay, these are basically countries are like Middle East, MENA, Middle East and North Africa. So what Middle East, like Kuwait, I mean to say that is the Gulf country basically is required, like Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Iran, Iraq, Egypt, UAE, Yemen, Oman. This kind of countries included in Middle East, who are required your CEP in the form of their marketing authorization holder. And second is North America, with the countries involved: Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Sudan, and Tunisia. So this that I would like to tell you about that. This is the three parts. If you have the basic information, so you are confident that what is the CEP and what is the procedure and to whom we can approach it. So thank you so much, and I'm happy to share this kind of information to all the pharma-based health patients, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you so much.